To start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word, first go to the last page of the section you want to start numbering from. After that, go to the layout and click on breaks. Under section breaks, click on next page. Then double click on your document. Under the header section, you see this head and footer. So go to page number, then choose the design in which you want to number your page. In this case, I'm going to plain number 2. Then click on page number again and choose format page numbers. Click on it, and under page number format, go to the page numbering and click on start at. So here we're going to choose the page number or the number in which you want to assign a certain page. So in this case, I'm going to go with maybe 7 and click on OK. So this will assign page numbers to each of the page, starting from number 7, then 8, 9, 10 onwards. So go close the head and footer and click on save document to save your document.